Hop into the 2018 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 200,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sporty and practical Altima. From its athletic performance to its available all-weather capability to its spacious, comfortable cabin, this stylish, safety-minded midsize is the ideal family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.